So here's how we can delete an empty album on the iPhone. And let's get started. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe and become part of the Foxtecc community so you that way never miss anything important. So the albums on the iPhone are interesting. They can even be empty, but you can check them out inside of the Photos app when you switch from the regular library view to the collections. And you should be able to see so many different things. Albums most definitely should be part of that list. So you can expand the albums. You have some personal albums, perhaps even shared, but the empty albums show up like this. They basically contain 0 photos and videos, and you can hold down on them and you can add photos, but there's also the delete album button. So you can tap that and it will be like removed, of course. So that's kind of how it works. You can always tap on a plus again and create the new album or new folder. Folders can hold albums and albums hold photos. So that's the way it's nested within the iPhone's photos gallery. So that is how it would work. Some people personally that I know don't like the albums when they see some shared albums by other people, which you cannot really just like delete, but you can hold down on the shared empty albums, and instead of deleting, you see the unsubscribe button because it's like a shared album created by someone else perhaps, and you have the ability to like stop seeing that. So that is another way to do it. And also one more thing, inside of the settings, when you go to your profile, iCloud, and photos, you can also turn off the shared albums completely if you find that to be not worth your time or whatever. So that is how you can do that too. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think and I'll catch you later.